usually a little bit thicker than this. And there are some limitations about the nuts and bolts because I've never even set foot in Arkansas. I'm only admitted. Pennsylvania is the only state in which I'm admitted. But I can look at that and I can rule out certain things. Like I said, there were no evidence suppressed. And she blocked the admission of evidence. Well, there's two ways attorneys block the admission of evidence. One is they file a pretrial motion saying this evidence should not be allowed at trial. That motion could have various titles. Or she didn't do that because that would be in here. And two is they object at trial. And of course, there was no trial here. But a couple of journalists have made the mistake of saying, well, she was able to block evidence. I would give Josh Rogan a pass because he's not a lawyer and he wasn't really working from this. Alana Goodman, that's another matter. She is young, but it was her very news organization, not necessarily her personally, but somebody working with her that put this online in the first place. And she should know what's in her besides the most sensational parts. The dumb stuff like the routine motions, and there's no such motion. And of course, attorneys don't suppress evidence, judges do. Attorneys can ask judges to do it. You know, like I said, I don't get to walk into a courtroom. Maybe I didn't say this. Attorneys don't walk into a courtroom and they say, Your Honor, my client didn't do it. And the court said, well, then the judge says, well, why didn't you say so? Case dismissed. Love to be able to do that, but it doesn't work that way.